Ayun mga tol, welcome back na naman sa ating YouTube channel mga tol. Pagpasensyahan nyo na at medyo marami tayong ginagawa kaya hindi tayo makapag-vlog ng dire-diretso mga tol. Ang topic natin sa araw na to ang mga pagsasalang na natin ng mga cough natin dahil unti-unti silang naubos. Hindi tayo kasi nagsalang nitong mga almost 3 months. Kaya yun. Kaya kailangan na natin magsalang ng cough. Yan mga tol. Salang tayo. Pagtapos nito, itong 2 pares na to, salang ulit tayo. Tinitignan muna natin ang kanilang nire-react dahil dun sa balileng, dun sa balileng na nangyari, mahirap kasi magsalang ng hindi mo alam ang kalusugan ng cough natin. Kaya nag-iingat lang ako, kaya ayun, piling-pili ang mga sinasalang ko ngayon mga tol. Si Poknat tsaka si Batas, magpuproduce daw sila ng pang show natin, kaya salang uli mga tol. Ito naman 2, ayan, salang uli sila. Ayan, si Taiga mga tol, tsaka yung anak ni Kalbo. May mismark din yan mga tol, pero solid ang nilalabas niyan. Nagmana siya sa kanyang ama na may mismark sa ilalim ng mata. Pag 3rd clutch niya dati yan kasi nung uso pa ang mass production. Dati kasi umabot ako hanggang 3rd clutch, pero yung 3rd clutch na yun puro seater na. Ngayon hindi na, tuwing nakakuha tayo ng isang clutch, pinagpapahinga natin agad. Tsaka hindi na sila sinisitter mga tol, sila na mismo talaga ang bumubuhay. Update naman tayo mga tol sa stencil natin. Ayan, ayan, spread na stencil mga tol, napakaganda. Sana magbigay sa atin to ng mga pang show sa mga hinaharap. At si Mama, may bago na namang chicks, si Swerte, ang kanyang bagong asawa. Anak na niya yan mga tol. Ganyang kasolid ang jeans ni Mama. Iba't iba ang kanyang nilalabas. Ayan o. Akala namin dati dito hen. Ay, hen, cock. Biglang nangitlog siya sa cage. Kaya yun, pinaris namin sa kanyang ama. Pares na pares naman na. Kaya yun, kailangan na nating ipares para hindi siya mangitlog ng walang laman. Dahil wala kailangan na nating pigain ang jeans ni Mama habang nasa peak pa siya ng kalusugan niya, dahil hindi natin alam, di ba mga tol? Kaya habang malakas si Mama, ayun, kuhanan natin ang kuhanan ng jeans. Sa bagay ito si Mama, alagang-alaga naman natin. Lahat naman ng mga kalapati natin alagang-alaga naman.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, too numb. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
At ayun si Salin mga tol, nagdi-disinfect ng malaking kulungan. papakita ko sa inyo ang khaki frill mga tol, ang pangmatindihan. Ito pala mga tol kay Pres Bimar Gutierrez to mga tol. Bali